Friends, in this module, we are going to discuss our second and third question. If you not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icons and also try to share with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching. So, our second question here is, we have to find what is the 10th and nth terms of given GP geometric progression. What is GP series here? The series is 525, 125 and so on. So, we have to find what is the 10th term and what is nth term. So first one, what is this here? Let's going to take second question answer. So what is a series 525 and 125 and so on? What is the first term? That is, first term will be equal to 5. So first term will be equal to 5. Then what is this? This is A1, A2, A3 and so on. What is the common ratio? That is A2 by A1. So A2 will be equal to 25 by 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So R will be equal to 5. So here they are asking that A10, what is the one? So what is the 10th one? So that is nth term, that is A into R power n minus 1. A into R power n minus 1. This is the nth term formula in geometric progression. So here A10 means, let's going to find A will be equal to 5. A into R power n minus 1. So here n term, so A will be equal to 5, R will be equal to 5, 5 power 10 minus 1. So what value we are getting here? Nth term. So ratio is, common ratio is 5, first term is 5 and n will be equal to 10, 10 minus 1. So 5 into 5 power 9. So what is the formula? A power m into A power n, that is A power m plus n. So this is the formula we are using. So this is multiplication. 5 power 1, 5 power 9, that will be equal to 5 power 9 plus 1, that is equals to 5 power 10. So this is the A10. Then what is the nth term formula? So An will be equal to AR power n minus 1. So An will be 5 into here 5 power n minus 1. So here 5 into 5 power n minus 1. Same formula we are using here. So base 5 power 1 into 5 power n minus 1, that is 5 power 1 plus n minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will going to cancel, 5 power n. So this is the 1. So An will be equal to 5 power n. So this is the plus 1 minus 1 will going to cancel. So this is the way to find the solution. Then we have to find what is the third question. So third question will be equal to first one. So they are given that A1 will be equal to 9 and R will be equal to 1 by 3. We have to find what is the seventh term. What is the seventh term? So here they are given first term and common ratio. We have to find what is the seventh term here. So what is the nth term formula? As we know, that is An will be equal to AR power n minus 1. So here A is nothing but A1. The first term will be denoted with A and A1. Both are equal. Don't get confused. So An, that is A7 will be equal to, common ratio is 9 into R will be equal to 1 by 3 whole power 7 minus 1. So we are substituted the value, that is 9 into 1 by 3 whole power 6. Can you write like this or not? Yes, 7 minus 1. So that is 9, you can write it as, let's go into, what is the formula we are using? A by B whole power n, that is A power n by B power n. So 9 into 1 power 6 by 3 power 6. So 9 into 1 by 3 power 6. Can you write like this or not? Yes, we can write it. So 9 you can write it as 3 square into 1 by 3 square into 3 power 4. So as we divided with A power m into A power n, A power m plus n, sorry here, m plus n, not 1, m plus n, sorry there. So here 3 square will going to cancel, then 1 by 3 power 4. So what is the A seventh term? That is 1 by 3 power 4. This is the value. Then what we have to find it here as second one, A power 1 by 3 power 4, we got it. Then what is the second one? So they are given that A1 will be equal to minus 12, then common ratio is 1 by 3 and A6. So what is the A6 formula? So nth term, as we know, that is An will be equal to AR power n minus 1. So here A6 will be equal to A is equals to minus 12 into R is nothing but 1 by 3 whole power 6 minus 1. So minus 12 into 1 by 3 whole power 5. So as I told, 1 by 5, that is A by B whole power m will be equal to A power m by B power m. So this is the one. So minus 12 into 1 1 by 3 power 5. So 1 power 5 is nothing but 1. So for that why I am not it written. So this one you can write minus 12, 3 into 4 again. So 3 into 4, that is 1 by 3 power 5. So here can you write minus 3 into 4 into 1 by 3 into 3 power 4? Can you write like this or not? Yes, a power m into a power n, that is a power m plus n. So this is plus 3. So here minus 4 by 3 power 4. Therefore, a6 will be equal to minus 4 by 3 power 4. So this is the value. This is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.